Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top strategies to grow your YouTube channel in 2025. We're talking about the stuff that'll take your channel from zero to hero, from a few views to a full-blown community. You guys know I love a good challenge, and trust me, growing on YouTube is one heck of a ride. But stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have the ultimate playbook to conquer the YouTube game. Let's do this! Alright, first things first, we gotta talk about your niche. Your niche is the foundation of your channel, the bedrock upon which everything else is built. Without a clear niche, your content can feel scattered and unfocused, making it harder for viewers to understand what your channel is all about. Think of your niche as your channel's superpower, the unique element that sets you apart from the crowd. It's what makes you special, what makes your content resonate with a specific audience. It's what makes you unique, what makes you stand out in a sea of endless content. In a world where thousands of videos are uploaded every minute, having a clear niche helps you cut through the noise and reach the people who are genuinely interested in what you have to say. What are you passionate about? Passion is the fuel that will keep you going, even when the going gets tough. It's what will make your content shine and keep your audience coming back for more. What do you know more about than anyone else? Your expertise is your secret weapon. It's what will make your content valuable and trustworthy. When you share your knowledge and insights, you position yourself as an authority in your niche. Gaming, cooking, travel, education, whatever it is, that's where you start. Your niche should be something you can talk about endlessly, something that excites you and makes you want to create. Finding your niche is like finding a gold mine. But instead of digging for gold, you're digging into your passions, your interests, the things that get you fired up. It's a journey of self-discovery that will lead you to the heart of what makes your channel unique. And once you've struck gold, you've got to mine it, baby. This means consistently creating content that aligns with your niche, refining your skills, and continuously improving your craft. Create content around your niche, become the go-to channel for that specific thing. When people think of your niche, your channel should be the first one that comes to mind. Look, there are a million channels out there talking about everything and nothing. The internet is a vast ocean of content, and it's easy to get lost in the shuffle. You want to be the one channel that everyone goes to for your specific thing. You want to build a loyal audience that values your content and trusts your expertise. Don't be afraid to niche down, to get specific. The more focused your content, the easier it is to attract and retain viewers who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. The more specific you are, the more dedicated your audience will be. A dedicated audience is more likely to engage with your content, share it with others, and support your channel's growth. Think about it. Would you rather be a small fish in a big pond or a big fish in a small pond? Exactly. By focusing on a specific niche, you can become a big fish in a small pond, dominating your area of expertise. Finding your niche is about playing to your strengths, focusing your energy, and becoming an expert in your field. It's about leveraging what you know and love to create content that resonates with your audience. And trust me, when you're passionate about what you're creating, it shows, and people will be drawn to that authenticity. Authenticity is key in building a loyal and engaged audience. So take some time, brainstorm, figure out what your niche is, and let's get this channel growing. Your niche is the key to unlocking your channel's potential, so embrace it and let it guide your content creation journey. Now let's talk about AI and automation, the secret weapons in your YouTube arsenal. These tools are not just fancy add-ons, they are game changers that can revolutionize the way you create and manage your content. Look, I'm all about putting in the work, but these tools can seriously up your game and save you a ton of time. Imagine being able to focus more on your creativity and less on the mundane tasks that eat up your day. AI can help you with everything from generating video ideas to even editing your videos. Think about it, no more staring at a blank screen wondering what to create next. AI can analyze trends, suggest topics, and even help you script your videos. Yeah, you heard that right, editing. Imagine having an AI that can cut, trim, and even add effects to your videos. This isn't just about saving time, it's about enhancing the quality of your content. There are AI tools out there that can cut your editing time in half, leaving you more time to create awesome content. And then there's automation. Automation can handle repetitive tasks like scheduling posts and managing your social media, freeing you up to focus on what really matters. Think of this as your personal assistant, scheduling your posts, analyzing your data, basically doing all the behind-the-scenes stuff so you can focus on what you do best: creating killer content. Imagine never having to worry about missing an upload or forgetting to engage with your audience. We're talking about tools that can help you schedule your uploads, track your analytics, even respond to comments. These tools can provide insights into what's working and what's not, allowing you to tweak your strategy in real time. And the best part? A lot of these tools are free or super affordable. You don't need to break the bank to take advantage of these technologies. Many offer free trials or basic versions that are more than enough to get you started. So there's no excuse not to at least try them out and see how they can help you level up your channel. The barrier to entry is lower than ever, making it the perfect time to experiment and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tools and find what works best for you. The landscape of YouTube is always changing, and staying ahead of the curve means being open to new technologies and methods. Remember, the YouTube game is constantly evolving, and those who adapt and embrace new technologies are the ones who come out on top. By integrating AI and automation into your workflow, you're not just keeping up with the competition, you're setting yourself up to lead the pack. Alright, let's talk about community, because without a community you're just talking to a wall, and ain't nobody got time for that. Building a community is about more than just getting subscribers. It's about creating a connection with your viewers, making them feel like they're part of something special. Respond to comments, even the weird ones. Run polls and quandas. Get your audience involved. Host live streams, do giveaways. Create a sense of belonging. Think about it. Why do people watch Mr. Beast? Sure, the challenges are insane, but it's also the community, the feeling that you're part of something bigger than yourself. And that's what you want to create on your channel, a place where people feel welcome, where they feel like they can be themselves, and where they can connect with others who share their interests. Remember, YouTube is a social platform, so be social. Engage with your viewers, build relationships, and watch your community grow. You know what they say, teamwork makes the dream work. And that couldn't be truer for YouTube. Collaborating with other creators is like unlocking a cheat code for growth. Think about it, you're tapping into their audience, they're tapping into yours, it's a win-win situation. When you collaborate, you bring fresh perspectives and new ideas to the table. It's not just about sharing audiences, but also about learning from each other. Each creator has their own unique style and approach, and by working together, you can blend these styles to create something truly special. Reach out to creators in your niche, or even outside your niche, and brainstorm some epic collaboration ideas. Do a collab video, guest star on each other's channels, cross-promote your content. The possibilities are endless, and the results can be explosive. But remember, collaboration should be mutually beneficial. Don't just think about what you can get out of it, think about what you can bring to the table as well. When you collaborate with other creators, you're not just expanding your reach, you're also learning from each other, sharing ideas, and growing together. It's important to communicate openly and set clear expectations. Discuss your goals, your audience, and how you can support each other. This way you can ensure that the collaboration is a success for both parties. And don't be afraid to think outside the box. Some of the most successful collaborations come from creators who are in completely different niches. This can introduce your content to a whole new audience and bring a fresh twist to your videos. For example, a beauty YouTuber could team up with a tech reviewer to create a video about the best gadgets for beauty enthusiasts. Or a fitness guru could collaborate with a travel vlogger to showcase the best workout spots around the world. The key is to find common ground and create content that is engaging and valuable for both of your audiences. And always remember to have fun with it. The more genuine and enjoyable your collaboration is, the more your viewers will appreciate it. And that's what the YouTube community is all about, supporting each other, lifting each other up, and creating awesome content together. So go ahead, reach out to fellow creators, brainstorm some amazing ideas, and watch your channel grow like never before. Remember, two heads are always better than one. Happy collaborating. Listen up, because this is important. The YouTube game is constantly changing. What works today might not work tomorrow, so you gotta be ready to adapt, to evolve, to become the ultimate YouTube chameleon. Stay up to date on the latest trends, the new features, the algorithm updates. Experiment with different content formats, try new things. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. The moment you stop learning, the moment you think you know it all, is the moment you start falling behind. Join YouTube communities, attend webinars, connect with other creators, and never stop learning. Because the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the ever-changing landscape of YouTube and come out on top. Remember, success on YouTube isn't a destination, it's a journey. So, enjoy the ride, embrace the challenges, and never stop learning and growing. Thanks for watching. We covered a ton of ground today, from finding your niche to leveraging the power of AI. Remember, growing on YouTube takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle, but trust me, it's worth it. So get out there, create awesome content, engage with your community, and never give up on your YouTube dreams. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. See you all in the next video.